Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Power up the Google Home and open the Google Home app on your phone. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and you're within about 10 feet of the speaker. In the app, tap the device tile, then the gear icon for settings to find Bluetooth options. This gets you directly into pairing mode. Don't waste time toggling Wi-Fi. Bluetooth only needs a direct phone connection. Now proceed to enable pairing, so the device becomes discoverable. You now execute the pairing step in detail. In device settings, tap Paired Bluetooth devices, then choose Enable Pairing. This lets the home advertise itself. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and look for the Google Home name. Select it. Once connected, the app will show a confirmation and audio will route to the home. If you plan to reuse this connection, you can leave the device paired. This method gives you direct streaming control without changing Wi-Fi or account settings. Finish by testing audio. Play a song and adjust volume either on your phone or by voice. For example, say, "Hey Google, volume 50%. Once satisfied, you can keep the phone paired for quick reconnects or unpair in the app if you're done. If pairing fails, reboot the Google Home in your phone, then retry Enable Pairing. This clears transient Bluetooth errors. If it still won't pair, remove old paired devices from the phone and try again. That often resolves address conflicts and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.